Well, picked up a new toy for loading. Help me load and get bigger loads. Sit loading down my truck, beating it up. Try this old girl. She's rough for sure, but she runs pretty good. 6.2 Detroit diesel. Like I said, pretty rusted, but the bed's not too bad. Got a winch up top. That'll come in handy, I'm sure. Probably pull me out since this thing's two-wheel drive. I might need it. Yeah. Like I said, bed's in pretty good shape. The frame now, or the body's pretty rough. You can guess what's under that board. Nothing good under that board. This hole right there. And dash pretty beat up. It's a beater. Beater without a heater. No heat. Nothing wrong with the blower motor. Stays on all the time when it's hooked up, so I don't know if it's supposed to be run to a relay or what.
You get a huge discount.
Had to replace the batteries, but just gotta spend money to make money. This thing that costs a whole lot, but it dumps good. Just dumped that load of logs. I just wish we didn't have all that white stuff on the ground. Get more stuff done, but this should definitely help things move along. Should help me get more stuff, get more logs. Seems like I never have enough room. On my little half ton, I fill it up and that thing's squatting every time, so this ought to do the trick. Oh, I changed all the glow plugs too. That definitely helped. And it's a warmer day, so she started right up. Can't even reach. So it's not too bad. We'll see how she holds up. See if she can take a beating. Look, I'll keep you updated. Have a good day.